Hi, I'm Andrew Stevenson, and in today's video I'm going to take you through another one of my earnings screens. This is from my 4th month, which was April. A word of warning, I've had a quick glimpse, it's rubbish. Remember, this is a month where I took my foot off the gas completely. My normal work was, combined to the season. So I didn't bother with anything. I didn't make any books for about a year. I didn't, no sort of promotion or anything. There you go. 10 books in the entire month. We'll have a look what they were. So the first book was a comedy writer's notebook, then craft paper, 2 craft papers, more craft paper. I have just done a video on how to make craft paper pads. I'll link to it in the cards, the top right of the screen now. Craft paper. So 90% of the books I sold were craft paper, and there was one comedy writer's notebook. Again, I've in the video where I show you the actual print quality, there is a copy of the writer's notebook. So feel free to have a look at that. I like it. So not great. For those 10 books, how much money did I make? £21. That's not bad, really. Over £2 a book. On average, which isn't bad at all. £2, what's that, $3? And that's what gets us. And this is my little bugbear. People who try and sell books for such a low amount that they only make 25 cents. There's no point. It just dilutes the marketplace down for everyone else. But this goes to show that you can charge more for books and people will still pay it if there's a quality there. I'd rather sell 2 books and make £4.50 than have to sell 20 books to make the same. And I'd rather sell 20 books and make £2 each. So that's it. Just a short video to show you. I think this is the point where things start going a little bit downhill. I probably didn't even look at the sales for the next 9 months, I think, after this. So the next couple of these are probably going to be short and depressing. So let this be a warning to you. Never take your foot off the gas. It took us a while to get back in the swing of things. It's really only been December since I started the YouTube channel that I've started to produce a few more books for KDP. So that is it for today's video. Another quick look at the cash. 10 books, 21 quid. That's not bad per book. That's not a bad per book profit. But it'll buy a meal, a takeaway. It will not pay the mortgage. That might change in 2022. So please do subscribe to the channel. I do share a lot of videos on there about how I create books. And like I say, I've put a video how to create the craft book. As you see, if I can sell 90% of my books as craft books, and they'd sell a lot better now because I have time to actually look after them. Yep, you'll be able to do the same. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.